Exploring the beauty of language. Gushing Waterfall. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, gushing waterfall. This phrase not only paints a vivid picture but also helps us understand how English combines words to create meaningful and expressive descriptions. Let's explore this together. First, let's break down the word gushing. In English, gushing refers to a rapid and abundant flow of something, usually a liquid. It's often used to describe water flowing quickly and in large amounts. Imagine turning on a tap to its fullest. The water that comes out can be described as gushing. It's all about the intensity and volume of the flow. Now, let's talk about waterfall. A waterfall is where water flows over a vertical drop in the course of a stream or river. It's a natural phenomenon that can range from small, stream-like falls to enormous, thunderous ones like Niagara Falls. The key aspect of a waterfall is the movement of water from a higher to a lower point, often creating a visually stunning effect. When we combine these words into the phrase, gushing waterfall, we're describing a very powerful, intense, and large waterfall. The water is not just falling. It's doing so with great force and in large quantities. This phrase often conveys a sense of awe and magnificence. It's commonly used to describe waterfalls that are particularly impressive or noteworthy due to their size and power. The phrase, gushing waterfall, isn't just limited to literal waterfalls. It can be used metaphorically in English. For example, someone might say, "Her words were like a gushing waterfall," to imply that she was speaking a lot and with enthusiasm. This shows the flexibility and creativity of English language expressions. And that's our journey through the phrase, gushing waterfall. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the beauty and expressiveness of the English language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the process of learning. Until next time, happy learning!